cholesterol. We all want to keep it in check, right? I'm going to explain 5 natural ways to lower cholesterol in the body. I'll be right back. I believe you understand that cholesterol is bad in the body, especially too much of it. A low level of it is needed, or let me say a little of it is needed in the body for production of energy, for making of bile salts, metabolism of vitamin D in the body. But when it is too much in the blood, it can clog up the arteries and block the flow, the effective flow of blood in the body, and that is what we don't want. And so we are trying to keep our cholesterol level in check. So I am here today to explain to you 5 natural ways through which you can lower blood cholesterol in the body. The liver is the center of metabolism in the body. Metabolism refers to the processing of food already digested by the stomach and intestine and converting it to useful form for the body. That means that even after food has been digested in the stomach and intestine, the nutrient is not yet absorbable fully by the body until the liver has converted it and made it absorbable. The liver breaks down 3 major classes of nutrients in the body to give us the energy we have. These classes are carbohydrates, fats, and protein. Fats or lipids are broken down in the liver for use as energy. Once the body has gotten enough energy needed at a particular time, the energy left over are then moved to where we refer to as the fat tissue. More than 90% of the body's energy is stored in the fat tissue for use later. Now, fats are not soluble in the blood and they are not also soluble in water. So the liver produces special fat-carrying proteins, which we call lipoproteins. These lipoproteins circulate in the blood, carrying essential fatty acid between the liver and body tissues. Now, lipoprotein also transports cholesterol. Although we see cholesterol as something bad, it is still essential for the correct functioning of the body. It is used to make bile salt, it is used to synthesize vitamin C, it is used to make sex hormone, used to make other hormones for the immune system, and in dealing with stress. Cholesterol is also vital for the health of nerve cells and for the brain. Now, cholesterol only becomes a problem when it is too much in the blood and builds up in the body in places it should not be. A healthy liver ensures that it is transported to tissues where it is needed and away from the tissues where it is not needed and where it can cause damage. If the liver is not functioning properly or is overburdened by cholesterol, fatty deposits containing cholesterol will build up in the linings of arteries. These deposits can cause obstructions to the blood flow and can also lead to heart attacks. They can also lead to a buildup of cholesterol in the bile, which can result in the formation of gallstones. Therefore, in order to prevent the buildup of cholesterol in the arteries, we must prevent the presence of excess cholesterol in the body. I'm giving you 5 natural ways to reduce cholesterol in the body. The first one is to get a checkup for cholesterol. There's a saying that what you don't know can't kill you, but this is not true. In fact, what you don't know is what will kill you quicker. Not knowing your total cholesterol level can be dangerous because it can go to a dangerous level and will not present any symptom. That is why it is one of the common conditions referred to as silent killers. American Heart Association has advised that everyone from age 20 should get a total cholesterol level check. Knowing your status will help you to monitor and take necessary precautions and even treatment. The second thing that you want to be doing is to consume more unsaturated fat and eliminate saturated and trans fats. Saturated fats are fat molecules that have a straight linear chemical formation due to the single bonds between the carbon atoms and the other atoms in the molecule. Because of this formation, they are tightly packed together. So most oils that solidifies at room temperature are saturated oils. Unsaturated oil in its own case has one or more double bonds between the carbon atoms and the other atoms present in the structure. Most oils that remain liquid at room temperature are unsaturated oil. Unsaturated oil are easily converted by the liver into the good cholesterol, also known as the HDL, high density lipoprotein, in the body. Good sources of unsaturated fats are olive oil, avocado oil, and the avocado fruit itself. Oil that come from nuts, especially those that were cold pressed. You want to stay away from animal fats, which are examples of saturated oils. You also want to stay away from coconut oil and palm oil. Saturated fats found primarily in red meat and full fat dairy products raise your total cholesterol. Decreasing your consumption of saturated fats can reduce your low density lipoprotein, which is the bad cholesterol, LDL cholesterol. Trans fats, sometimes listed in food labels as particularly hydrogenated vegetable oil, are often used in margarines and store-bought cookies, crackers, and cakes. The third one is exercise. Exercise can improve cholesterol. Moderate physical activity can help raise high-density lipoprotein, which is the good cholesterol. With your doctor's consent, work up to 30 minutes of exercise 5 times a week, or vigorous aerobic activity for 20 minutes 3 times a week. Adding physical activity, even in short intervals in a day, can help you begin to lose weight. Now, consider taking a brisk daily walk during your lunch hour, walking a short distance, playing your favorite sports. Stay motivated. Consider finding an exercise buddy or joining an exercise group. Find a friend that loves the type of exercise you love. The fourth one is to take supplements. Some supplements are known to help in the reduction of high blood cholesterol, and I'm going to mention a couple of them. The first one is L-carnitine. L-carnitine. L-carnitine has been shown through clinical trials to support cardiovascular health, beginning with its ability to assist in clearing fats from the blood and into the mitochondria, the energy powerhouse of the cells. The next one is niacin. Niacin is a good supplement for lowering blood cholesterol levels, especially the LDL blood cholesterol, which is the bad cholesterol. The next one is fish oil. Fish oil is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which contains DHA and EPA. One study of 42 adults found that taking 4 grams of fish oil daily reduced the total amount of fat being carried in the blood. In another study, taking 6 grams of fish oil daily increased the good cholesterol level. A study of over 15,000 adults also found that omega-3 fatty acids including the one from fish oil supplements, reduce the risk of heart disease and prolonged life expectancy. Foods with omega-3 fatty acids include salmon, that's the fat salmon fish, mackerel fish, herring, walnut, and flax seeds. Psyllium. Psyllium is a soluble fiber supplement. Soluble fiber can reduce the absorption of cholesterol into your bloodstream. Soluble fiber is found in such foods as oatmeal, kidney beans, Brussels sprouts, apples, and pears. A 4-week study of 33 adults found that cookies enriched with about 8 grams of psyllium reduced total cholesterol and LDL cholesterol by nearly 10%. That's a lot. Another study found similar results using a 5-gram psyllium supplement twice daily. LDL, which is the bad cholesterol, and the total cholesterol level decreased by about 5% over a 26-week period. Coenzyme Q10. Coenzyme Q10 is a food chemical that helps cell produce energy. It is similar to a vitamin, except that the body can produce its own Q10, preventing deficiency. Even if there is no deficiency, extra Q10 in the form of supplements may have benefits in some situations. Several studies with a total of 409 participants found CoQ10 supplements reduce total cholesterol. CoQ enzyme supplement may also be beneficial in treating heart failure. Whey protein. Whey protein, which is found in dairy products, may account for many of the health benefits attributed to dairy. Studies have shown that whey protein given as a supplement lowers both LDL cholesterol and total cholesterol, as well as blood pressure. And the last one is to stop smoking. If you want to reduce your total cholesterol level, you need to stop smoking. Smoking increases the risk of heart disease in several ways. One of these is by changing how the body handles cholesterol. The immune cells in smokers are unable to return cholesterol from the vessel walls to the blood for transport to the liver. These dysfunctional immune cells may contribute to the faster development of clogged arteries in smokers. Fortunately, giving up smoking can reverse these harmful effects. If you want to learn more about how to keep your blood pressure in check and how to reverse any type of cardiovascular problems, kindly subscribe to my channel and click the notification button so that you can be notified anytime I make a post. I also have an ebook titled Get Rid of High Blood Pressure. This ebook contains the natural ways or natural solutions to getting rid of high blood pressure. It contains step-by-step followable steps that can help you get rid of your high blood pressure or reverse permanently your high blood pressure. Check the description below to place an order.